Dear students, welcome to the digital learning platform of Department of College Education. In this session, we shall discuss the laws of logarithm. So there are four fundamental laws of logarithm. We shall discuss one by one with examples. The first law is the law of product. So the law of product says that log of m into n equals log of m plus log of n. So let us say we have to find the value of 44.5 into 3.85. So log of m into n equals log of m plus log of n. Let the value of 44.5 into 3.85 be x. So therefore log x equals log of 44.5 plus 4 plus log of 3.85. So log value for 44.5 is 1.6474. So here number is more than 1, that means characteristic is positive and it is 1 less than number of integral digits. So 2 digits minus 1, 1. Similarly for 3.85, 3 is the integral digit, so only one integral digit minus 1, 0 is the characteristic. So 1.6474 plus 0.5855. So if you add these log values together, so the final answer is 2.2329. So anti-log value for 2.2329. Anti-log value for 0.2329 is 1710. Here the characteristic is positive and it is 2. So 2 plus 1, 3 will be number of integral digits in the result. So the final answer is 171.0. Similarly, we can take one more example. Let us say we have to find the value of 9.6 into 0.85. So log of m into n equals log of m plus log of n. Let the value of 9.6 into 0.85 be x. So log of 9.6 plus log of 0.85. So log of 9.6. So one digit minus one integral digit minus 1, 0 is the characteristic. And Montesa value is 0.9823. Plus here on the other side the number is less than 1. So when the number is less than 1 or when the number is pure fraction, then characteristic is negative. So negative and it is 1 more than the number of digits after the number of zeros after the decimal point. So after decimal point there are no zeros. So 0 zeros plus 1. So 1 will be the characteristic and it is negative. So minus 1.9294. So dear students, as you all know, characteristic may be positive or negative, but Montesa would always be positive only. So therefore log x equals, now in this case we have to separate Montesa and characteristic. So 0 is the characteristic and minus 1 is the characteristic. So 0 and plus into minus, minus 1 on the one side, and Montesa parts 0.9823 and 0.9294 are on the other side. So 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0.9823 plus 0.9294, it is 1.9117. So minus 1 characteristic plus 1 characteristic, they both get cancelled. So what remains is 0.9117. So x value is the antilog of 0.9117. So antilog value for 0.9117 is 8160. Here the characteristic is 0 and it is positive. So 0 plus 1 will be the integral digit in the result. So the final answer is 8.160. So the second law is the law of quotient. So law of quotient says that log of m divided by n equals log of m minus log of n. So let us understand this law with an example. Let us say we have to find the value of 1528.32 divided by 151.55. So log of m divided by n equals log of m minus log of n. Let the value of 1528.32 divided by 151.55 be x. So log x equals log of 1528.32 minus log of 151.55. Log x equals 3.1840 minus log of 151.55 2.1804. So 3.1840 minus 2.1804. So the log x value is 1.0036. So the antilog value for 1.0036. So for antilog value for 0.0036 is 1008. As there is a characteristic positive, as there is the characteristic is positive and it is 1. So 1 plus 1, number of integral digits will be 2. So the final result is 10.08. Similarly, the third rule is the law of power or the law of exponent. So law of exponent or law of power says that log of m raised to n equals n into log of m. Let us say we have to find the value of 8.9624 raised to 6. So log of m raised to n equals n into log of m. So let the value of 8.9624 raised to 6 be x. So log x equals 6 into log of 8.9624. So log value for 8.9624 is 0.9524. 0.9524 into 6. So final result is 5.7144. Now x equals antilog of 5.7144. So antilog value for 7144 is 5181. As there is the characteristic and the characteristic is positive 5. So 5 plus 1, number of integral digits will be 6. So the final result is 5,18,100.00. Let us say we have to find the value of 0.7695 raised to 4. So let the value of 0.7695 raised to 4 be x. So log x equals 4 into log of 0.7695. Here the number is less than 1 and it is a fraction. In case of fractional values, the characteristic will be negative and it is 1 more than number of zeros after the decimal point. So in the 0.7695 there are no zeros. So 0 zeros plus 1, characteristic is 1 and it is negative. So minus 1.8862. As you know, characteristic may be positive or negative, but mantissa would always be positive only. Hence, we have to separate characteristic and mantissa. So minus 1 into 4 plus 4 into 0.8862. So 4 into minus 1 minus 4 plus 4 into 0.8862 3.5448. So minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 0.5448. So antilog value for minus 1.5448. When the characteristic is negative, then the result will be a fraction, that is a number less than 1. So antilog value for 5448 is 3505. Since here the characteristic is negative and it is minus 1, that means number of zeros after the decimal point will be numerical value of characteristic minus 1. So 1 is the numerical value of characteristics, 1 minus 1 0. So after the decimal point there should be 0 zeros, no zeros. So the result is 0.3505. The last rule, rule 4, is the law of root. So the law of root says that nth root of m equals log of m divided by n. Let us say we have to find the value of fifth root of 32,768. So nth root of m equals log of m divided by n. Let the value of fifth root of 32,768 be x. So log of 32,768 divided by 5. So log value for 32,768 is 4.5153 divided by 5, 0.90306. So anti-log value for 0.90306. So 0.90306, the anti-log value is 7998. Since the characteristic is positive and it is 0, so 0 plus 1 will be the integral digit in the result. So the final result is 7.998. Similarly, we can take one more example. Let us say we have to find value of fourth root of 0.3505. So let the value of fourth root of 0.3505 be x. Log x equals 0.3505 divided by 4. So log value for 0.3505 is minus 1.5447. As we all know, in case of logarithm values, the characteristic may be positive or negative, but mantissa would always be positive only. Hence, we have to separate these characteristic and mantissa parts. So minus 1 divided by 4 plus 0.5447. Since minus 1 cannot be divided by 4, so we deduct minus 3 from that minus 1. And since I have deducted minus 3 from the characteristic part, I add a similar value to the mantissa part. So minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3.5447. So minus 4 divided by 4 minus 1 plus 3.5447 divided by 4 0.886. So log x equals minus 1.8886. So the characteristic is negative here. So I have to find anti-log value for minus 1.886 when the characteristic is negative, and when the characteristic is negative, then the result will be a fraction or number less than 1. So 0.886, the anti-log value will be 7691. Since the characteristic is negative here and it is 1, so 1 minus 1, 0. So number of zeros right after the decimal point will be nil. So the final result is 0.7691. These are the references I have used for making this presentation. Thank you one and all.